Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ben, and we are back with another video. You know the vibes, come on. But yo, you're probably like, yo, Ben, what in the are you wearing? Cause your fit looks ridiculous. Yeah, I know. I'm at the crib right now, so I can wear whatever I feel like wearing. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to the gym like this. I was never going to the gym like this. Maybe I should though. This is kind of the drip, no cap, the Supreme. But yo, I want to film a leg day for you guys. I know I just recently filmed one at Planet Fitness, but yo, this one's gonna be a lot better. I'm gonna have a cameraman, and we're gonna break down my leg day. I'm gonna bring you guys to the gym. We're gonna talk over the workout, and yeah, maybe hit some juicy squat PRs. Let's get into the video. Just kidding, I'm back. Haha. But yo, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be doing customized programs. I'm gonna end up taking my current training program down, and I'm just gonna make custom training programs for you guys, because to be honest, everybody is different. Everybody needs like a specific program for their special needs. So I'm going to be doing customized programs, and it'll be much more effective for the majority of people. Instead of just getting a program out to you guys that's just the same thing for everybody, I know that everybody is different. So I will be doing customized programs, and that will be on my website. So if you guys want to go check that out, I'd greatly appreciate it. It will be in the link in the description. So let's get into this leg workout. Whee! We outside. We gotta take 2 scoops of Mode. Not sponsored by Gorilla, but Gorilla, if you want to sponsor your boy. Dose. Ugh. So, gonna go in there and kill shit. Basically, 10-minute warm up on the incline treadmill, 15 incline, 3 speed, get the blood flowing, sweat a little bit, and then we're gonna jump into some squats. So I'll see y'all then. One thing I've been doing is taking my shoes off when I squat. My feet are like uneven, and I feel like it's my shoes because they're not very like tight. So I'm gonna squat with no shoes and see how it goes. We got 275. Depending on how this moves, it's gonna base like what my working sets are. So if it's really good, then we're not gonna go up. Pump cover's going on. Lying hamstring control, probably like 2 sets. Higher rep range, maybe like 10 to 12. Main thing you want to do is push your hips. I'm gonna take my belt off, but you're gonna push your hips into the pad. It's basically you're doing a bicep curl, but like with your legs. Push your hips in the pad. Next we do a hip thrust.
Not much to say. We gotta get the dumpster.
Yo, Tibbets, drop the legacy.
Next we got dumbbell RDLs. With these ones, I recommend getting strapped just because you can pull like a lot more weight. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go like 85, maybe 12, probably like 2 sets. My hamstrings are already fucked, so. Gotta take the shoes off for the calories. Probably like 2 to 3 sets of 15. My calves are used to fairly quickly, so 14 at 3 sets. Yeah, failure on every set. Leg extensions, probably like 2-3 sets. I don't even count. Let's go. But yeah, it's good. That's it. It's a whole workout. But we're gonna do some measurements. It's like 23 flex. I think this one's bigger. I don't know though. That one's 23 and a half. We definitely lost our calf pump, but get it anyway. Like 15. 15 and a quarter. Legs are growing now. Legs are growing. leg day. We'll get back to you guys in the car.
Yo, what's up, guys? We're back at the car. We outside. That's the leg workout. You guys are probably very surprised at how low volume my leg workout is. My legs fatigue very easily, and I don't need a lot of volume when I'm training basically to failure on most of my sets, not all of them. As you see, I did a very taxing set of squats, which affected the whole workout, and I knew after that set that I wouldn't have to do a lot of volume after that. But if I went easier on squats, then I probably would have did more volume throughout the workout. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to let me know. And if you guys need a program, I'm doing customized programs now in my website. Link is in the bio. Best clothing in the game, Fitletics. Use my code BENS to support your boy. Like the video, obviously. Come on, comment for the algo. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.